And she said, "You're not going in the children's hospital." I said, "Yes." And you know where you are going? I said, "Yes." Okay. Up and away.
They're probably like, we need the interpreter.
Yes.
Wheel in the interpreter.
Yep. I said, "We're here now," and she asked me, what do you know, you think what time you get here? I said, "I don't know, because we're here in St. Louis Art." And then she said, "Okay, so you guys getting closer?" Yes. Say yes.
Yes.
All right.
Need the interpreter.
Yeah, I know, that's what I told him too. Up and away.
Hey, Daddy.
See it, Daddy. Up and away.
Hey, Daddy.
See it, Daddy. Up and away. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Nilive ko sana kasi nga nahuli ako ng live. Gusto ko lang ilalive sana yung St. Louis Art. Nahuli ako ng live, guys. Hindi ko masyadong napansin kanina. Nakita ko lampas na kami live. Sige, tuloy pa rin natin yung live. Alright. Good morning, USA. Ngayon ay medyo late na kasi kami sa namin. Dapat nandoon na kami ng 8:32 na. So, nandito pa kami. Kaya tumawag na sa amin kung kami ay pupunta. Yes, we're on the way. Pero talaga ang appointment niya is 9:30. Pero dapat 8:30 nandoon na kami. Medyo malapit na kami. Magandang trip niya ng kasi malalaman natin kung binuksan na naman ang dading window. Close the window, honey. Britney's keep complaining. Thank you.